the Bluegrass Distillery in Lexington, Kentucky, a reminder of Africa's locally produced alcoholic drinks. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this episode, we embark on an intriguing journey to Lexington, Kentucky, where we delve into the world of bourbon distilleries, focusing on the renowned Bluegrass Distillery. As we explore this iconic site, we'll draw fascinating parallels to Africa's rich tradition of locally produced alcoholic beverages. Nestled in the heart of Lexington, Bluegrass Distillery stands as a testament to the rich heritage of American bourbon production. The distillery tour offers an immersive experience of the bourbon world, beginning with a detailed explanation of the distillation process. Visitors are introduced to the selection of the finest locally sourced grains, which are then transformed into bourbon through meticulous distillation and aging in charred oak barrels. This process imbues the bourbon with its distinctive flavor and character, a hallmark of Kentucky's bourbon culture. As we walked through the distillery, our guide shared captivating stories about the history of bourbon in Kentucky. Early settlers brought their distillation techniques to the region, and bourbon quickly became integral to Kentucky's identity. This rich history reminded me of the diverse and vibrant traditions of alcohol production in Africa, where each region boasts unique recipes and methods passed down through generations. Africa is renowned for its diverse and vibrant cultures, each with unique alcoholic beverages. From the traditional palm wine of West Africa to the popular sorghum-based beers of East Africa, locally produced alcoholic drinks are an integral part of African societies. These drinks are often crafted using age-old methods, reflecting their respective regions' cultural heritage and agricultural practices. Palm wine is a beloved drink in many parts of West Africa with deep cultural significance. It is tapped from the sap of various species of palm trees and is often enjoyed fresh or fermented. Tapping and fermenting palm wine is a skill passed down through generations, and it plays a central role in social gatherings and ceremonies. Palm wine's sweet and tangy flavor is a reminder of the rich natural resources that Africa possesses. Sorghum beer, or opaque beer, is a traditional beverage in East Africa. It is made from sorghum or millet and is often brewed at home or in small-scale breweries. The brewing process involves malting, fermenting, and sometimes flavoring with local herbs or fruits. Sorghum beer is a refreshing drink and a symbol of community and hospitality. In many villages, sharing a calabash of sorghum beer is a gesture of friendship and unity. As I savored the rich flavors of Bluegrass Distillery's bourbon, I couldn't help but draw parallels to the locally produced alcoholic drinks of Africa. Both Kentucky bourbon and African traditional drinks share a deep connection to their land, culture, and history. They are products of meticulous craftsmanship, local ingredients, and a passion for preserving heritage. The success of the Bluegrass Distillery highlights the economic potential of locally produced alcoholic drinks. In Kentucky, bourbon production significantly contributes to the local economy, creating jobs and attracting tourists worldwide. Similarly, Africa's locally produced alcoholic beverages can potentially boost local economies. By investing in traditional brewing techniques and promoting these unique drinks, African countries can attract tourism, create employment opportunities, and preserve cultural heritage. Touring the Bluegrass Distillery inspired me to think about how African distilleries and breweries can innovate while staying true to their roots. Local ingredients, sustainable practices, and storytelling can elevate African alcoholic drinks globally. Imagine a world where palm wine and sorghum beer are as renowned and celebrated as Kentucky bourbon. This vision is plausible. It requires a blend of tradition and modernity, much like what I witnessed at the Bluegrass Distillery. The Bluegrass Distillery in Lexington, Kentucky, is more than just a producer of fine bourbon. It symbolizes tradition, craftsmanship, and economic vitality. It serves as a reminder of the potential within Africa's locally produced alcoholic drinks. By embracing their rich heritage and investing in innovation, African distilleries and breweries can create beverages that celebrate their culture and drive economic growth. The journey through Bluegrass Distillery was a poignant reminder that the spirit of tradition and quality knows no boundaries, whether in Kentucky or Africa. Join us in our next episode as we explore the world's unique cultural and culinary treasures, always with an eye on how they resonate with and inspire the diverse tapestry of African heritage.